Right, so we can see that our calendar page is filling out, and we can start seeing our appointments and things like that. Let's go through and issue a gift certificate. Let's see how we can share for that yoga class we've just made. You can see here, look, 0 of 20. Let's get some people on it. So packages and gift certificate. So I'm going to create a new gift certificate. We're going to call it yoga for a friend, something like that. Keep hidden private only clients again. So again, you could decide to keep it off the main page, or you can leave it. You can leave it on the main scheduling page. Price is 100. Category is again whatever you want to choose in your gift certificate categories, fitness or gift or whatever. You don't have to use categories. Add a picture. Add a buy a yoga class for a friend, and show printable gift certificates after purchasing. So obviously if people want to print it out and give it to a friend, they can. Expires 90 days, whatever you may want to call it. Redeemable for total amount, the number of minutes, unlimited on the appointments. You probably would put the pound amount, and then you would tick 6 days of yoga. I'm not sure that would matter too much. Again, we're flying through how the features. It's maybe not a full how-to guide because I don't use it enough, if at all. So 6-week yoga class, and add a gift certificate. Please fill in the required. This can be redeemed for, here we go, 100. Add the certificate, and now we have a yoga for friends certificate. So if people want to come and buy it, they can just go to this direct link, buy it again, and it'll give them information on passing that on to a friend. Oh, yeah, that's a different link than I don't think, I'm not sure if it shows on that main page or not. Was it? It's me. Introduction. Oh, yoga for a friend. So it does show up here. This is where they could buy from your scheduling. A gift certificate as well, which then would give them a I'm going to run through it all as they buy it with a coupon. So you see pay and complete. Yeah, I'm going to should I make it free? It's hard to test it into without me doing it. I'm going to create a coupon now and show you a coupon, redeeming a coupon, and then we'll go through buying the yoga class, right? I know they're a bit scatty, but I don't use it enough. But you can see the feature will work, even though I didn't show it you very well.